So, the science group needs 3 members. Who should we choose?
I was thinking about Brendalyn.
Why? Yo! Brenda is on a wheelchair. That girl will keep us back when we have to go out to do our research.
So, you want to deprive her of being in a group just because you feel she has special needs?
Yo, I was just saying that
having special needs doesn't mean that she cannot contribute to our group. What she can contribute is still valuable.
It is crucial for us to understand and respect people with special needs. Every individual deserves equal treatment. We are all unique in our own ways, and that is what makes our world so beautifully diverse. Let's embrace our differences, show kindness, and offer support to those who need it. Inclusive education benefits all, socially and economically. Special education requires special people to make special decisions, especially you. Children with disabilities are more likely to be marginalized. Let's protect and nurture them. Children with disabilities are less likely to attend and complete primary school. Let's look out for them. Disability creates disabilities and disadvantage. Let's counter these with the right support. Inclusive education fosters a culture of respect and belonging. Congratulations to all you OECS educators who have successfully completed the course in Assistive Technologies for Special Education Needs. Kudos to you for being a special person, paying special attention to our children with special needs. Keep the fire burning. By treating people with special needs with respect, we build a society that celebrates diversity and ensures that everyone has an equal opportunity to shine and thrive.